What I want you to think about is how the day's designed to have a morning move, a lunch hour where you don't want to be trading, and then the afternoon move. I want you to think about creating your charts like this and then describing what the morning trend was. Was it a bullish move? Was it a bearish move? Was it consolidation? If it was consolidation, prior to that part of the day, in other words, the previous day or the previous days, was it bullish or bearish then? Because if it was bullish, this is probably setting up another continuation higher, especially if you start seeing these relative equal highs forming, where it paints the idea that this is retail resistance. So traders are going to think that this is going to go lower, and that starts to build up a lot more interest in the form of buy-side liquidity or buying interest at a high price. Even though that those traders may be framing the context of their trades as a short entry, trying to make money going lower, their protective stop, if they choose to use one, is going to be in the form of a buy stop. And this is where it's going to be at. So the market's going to want to gravitate towards that, especially if you start seeing the swing lows, not the one in lunchtime, ignore that one. You start seeing the swing lows that are forming. Every candle has a higher low to the left and higher low to the right. If they start building up, and every time they create a new one, it's going higher, that's a underpinning of the marketplace that's showing accumulation. It wants to go up because it wants to clean out all this here. Plus, we've been going up for a few days on the daily chart. Plus, the sentiment is everybody thinks it's been going down, so they all want to sell short because they want to see a stock market crash. But what they are failing to realize is we've already went down below an old low on the daily chart. So now we're running back the other direction, and anyone that's trying to sell short, unless it's a real quick intraday scalp, they're having their clocks cleaned.